Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. I've got a pretty cool pocket knife to show you. This one's a Swiss Champ by Victorinox. It's got all kinds of gadgets on it. So I thought I'd show you what it has. We'll start off by, let's look at the blades first. So we got this small spear point blade right there. Then on the other side of that, we have the large spear point blade. It's got a good snap. Then it's got a nice file on it. This side I think is for your fingernails. And then this side here is for metal, and this edge here I believe is for metal as well. And then this is for cleaning out your fingernails, this tip. Let's see here. Then we got the wood saw. Oops. We got the wood saw here. And then we got the scaler. And the scaler has a ruler on it and a hook disgorger. Okay, then we have some scissors. And let's see here. The scissors, and after the scissors we have a pair of pliers. Okay, so this pair of pliers has a couple of other uses. It's got these little wire cutter, area right there. You'd have to have a small wire, but it's a wire cutter. And then also this crimper, this part right here is to crimp something. Okay, then we have I'm going to break it. Magnifying glass, that's a 8x magnifying glass. Okay, then we have the Phillips screwdriver, which has got a half stop, so you can use it like this, or go straight out. Okay, then we have the can opener with a little screwdriver on top, and then we have the bottle opener with the flathead screwdriver on top and the wire stripper right here, that little hole. I think I got everything on top. Let's see here, we got, it's hard to find these ones on the bottom. Okay, here we go. There's a reamer that's got the eye hole. You're gonna put some thread through there, I guess. And got your hook for, I'm not really sure what that hook's for. Then you got another screwdriver, smaller flathead screwdriver. And okay, you got a little wood chisel there. Then you got the corkscrew, of course, there. And then there is a little needle here. Right there, if you look, there's a little needle that comes out. That's under there, under the corkscrew. Then you got your toothpick. And you got a ballpoint pen. that actually works. It's pretty cool. And let's see if I can put this in here right. Oop. Okay, and let's see what else. I think that's almost everything. Oh, then we got the tweezers. And I think that's everything on there, I believe. If I missed something, sorry about that. You guys can let me know. But I thought I'd show you this cool. I mean, this would be a great tool to take camping, definitely. Throw it in the backpack. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.